All right, so what I would like to share with you is that I learned some really cool code today about taking a break and opening a web browser with code. All right, so look at the first thing that I did here. Is I broke this down into 3 different sections with the instructor. And the first thing I wanted to know is how do I open a web browser, right? So we went on the web and we found a function that's called the function is called webbrowser.open. So we use webbrowser.open, plugged a YouTube link inside of there, and then we had to import web browser in order to make that work. All right, so we typed the code import and then webbrowser.open. Then the second part was that we wanted it to call back to do it based on time, right? So we brought over import time, and we found a function called time.sleep. And so initially we set it for 10 seconds. So we have a timer in here for 10 seconds, in which if there's going to be like a 10-second delay in this code when the script runs, and then the web browser is going to open. Well, the whole thing is that I want somebody to take a break 3 times, and during their break, I want them to be able to watch this video, right? So I went and I found a video of Jay-Z, and in order to do this, I wanted to call back, so I had to make this, we created a while loop. And so in the while loop, we created a loop, and we said, okay, we have a total of 3 breaks, and the break count is equal to 0. And the only difference that we did here that's kind of different in my while loops is that we first wanted to print at the top to say this program started on a specific time. So in our loop, we just added that at the end that says print on a certain time plus time.cTime. And that was a function that he had to go find. I wouldn't have found it, but he showed us where we can find these on this resource page. And then to complete the while loop, we said, okay, while break count is less than the total breaks of 3, then we're gonna just basically close this while loop. All right, and a while loop is it keeps doing things until it ends, right? So basically, I'm gonna have something repeat something until I tell it to end. So the total breaks is equal to 3. So it's gonna keep repeating this 3 times. All right. So, and I got a 10-second counter. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this run, and it's called break. So Python break underscore time dot py, and watch how cool this is. So I'm gonna run this, and it says the program started on August 27th at 8:20:53 2018, and in about 5 seconds it's gonna open up a web browser, and my YouTube is gonna play. So there's my first break, and then 10 seconds later, took another break, and then we should have a third one. And there's the third one. So I had 3 breaks. Pretty cool?
Very cool.
All right, that's it.